Hey guys, how's it going? Doing a review on a mod I picked up recently. It's the Sigelei number 13. It's a telescoping mod. Let me just show you this. Okay, right now I have it set up to take an 18650 battery, which is right here. This is an IMR. This is at 2000 mAh, 3.7 volts. The nice part about this mod, I think, it has some really nice features. As you can see here, the bottom ring where the spring is, it has 4 nice vent holes in it, and the spring is kind of heavy duty as well. Next on this is the side button control right here. It's a good side button, it's nice and stiff, so you really kind of have to hold it down in order to get it going. I've left this in my pocket just like this, and I haven't had a misfire yet. Of course, it does come with this locking ring right here, where if you tighten it down, you can't. If you can see there, you can't push the button down at all, which kind of is a nice feature. So let me put this back together here. It works with 510 threaded. You can use an adapter, as I found out, but it works great with this AGA T2 tank that I picked up also. Right now I have that set up on a mesh wick. But let me see if I can get some fluid flowing here. Take a hit for you guys. This is a nice mechanical mod. I got this one for about 30 bucks. This is really nice. I like it overall. Of course, I got it on an AGA T2. When you get it, you'll notice that this hole here is really small. What I've noticed from talking to people is that for a good air exchange, to get a nice good vape going, you'll want to bore that out to, this one's bored out to 5/64ths, which does nice for air production inside the head. It also does something else, and that's keep air flowing over that wick. Which keeps a nice good vapor production. And if you're into mechanicals, this one's a really nice one. As you can see here, you will have to drop the pin down that's in the center there when you go to first put your tank on. And what's been explained to me on how to do these that makes it really nice is that you'll want to loosen that screw up, drop that pin down, and then you'll want to fit your tank on. And then when it comes down to it, you tighten back the screw so the pin hits that tank in just the right way. Then you just push that down on there. You can screw that back down in place, tighten it up. But overall, this is a really nice mod. Really comes with some nice features, as I've explained. The button is really nice. You can even put it down to an 18350 battery and really get some good life out of your system. Now, if you're a heavy vapor like me, of course, you're going to want to stick with the 18650 battery. So that you really do get a nice cloud and a nice good effect from it. Now, on my AGA T2, this is wrapped at about 0.8 ohms. As you can see there, I had a friend help me wrap it. He taught me how to actually rebuild these, which is really nice. The nice thing about the AGA T2s, however, if I wanted to set this up on a double wicking system, I can actually do that. So if I wanted to put another coil and some more mesh in here and wire it up, I can actually wire this up for a dual tank. But I would have to, again, I would have to drill out another hole for airflow. But it's nice even with a single hole. As you can see, you got to make sure juice flows, otherwise you can see the wire heating up there, which heats up that mesh. I've actually had it pop on me, which is where with the cap on it, it gets nice, good, and hot where it doesn't get enough liquid on there that it will actually catch fire and kind of pop the air inside the cover here. But it is really nice. I do like the setup. Like I said, this was a relatively inexpensive mod. So if you really want to get into the mechanical world and get into rebuilding your atomizers and really get into a nice juice production. Oh, the other nice thing I like about this AGA is I can have my liquid in the bottom that I want to vape on all the time, but I can also drip some other juice on the mesh and get that flavor until the other flavor comes back up my wick. You can put this on Eco Wool, Silica Wick, the steel mesh like I have on here now. You can even do pour ceramic. Keep vaping. And check out, this is the Sigelei number 13 telescoping. And I will catch you guys later.